Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be testing out the new Dior BACKSTAGE foundation. As you fabulous people know, this is about the product, not the people behind it. Any tip you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. So I ordered 3 of these foundations directly from Dior because they weren't yet available on Ulta, and holy fuck, can we talk about this packaging? Like, this is some bougie shit right here. Like, I don't know if you can tell from there or not, but this box is like faux leather. This just feels so damn fancy. And just when my cheap ass thought I couldn't get any more bougie, you open it up, there's like a Christian Dior sticker and this fancy paper, and within are the products. Anyway, I did order 3 of them, and I do want to note that these look a lot lighter online than they do in person because none of these match me. This bitch thought he was ordering shades way too light for his skin, but it actually turns out they're way too dark, so I'm gonna use the lightest one that we ordered, and this might actually work for me. But these other 2 are 3N and 3WP. These are way too dark for me, I think. Am I right? I think I'm right. And I know that 3WP is definitely too deep for me. Like, I don't think I'd even get this dark if I were stuck in the Sahara for a week. So because these are on the pricey side, they're not even opened yet, I'm probably just gonna return them. They have a very good return policy. Thank you, Dior. But I thought y'all might get a kick out of this packaging because this shit is fancy. But like I said, I did get this directly from Dior for $40, but I'm on the Sephora website because people on here tend to be very brutally honest. And it looks like Sephora reviewers gave this 4 stars, not too bad, and it looks like there's 40 shades of this, which is very impressive. And good job, Dior, because it looks like they actually go really, really light and they go really, really dark, and they have a very good medium tone section too, so snaps to you, bitch. Sephora is saying this is a foundation for the face and body in 40 shades with neutral matte finish and medium buildable coverage that's waterproof and sweat resistant. They also say that this Dior BACKSTAGE face and body foundation is the Dior makeup artist's secret weapon to create a flawless, runway-ready complexion for both the face and the body. The waterproof formula fuses with the skin resisting extreme conditions like workout sessions, water, and even high temperatures and humid environments. I thought you weren't supposed to work out in this shit. And by this shit, I just mean makeup in general. Like, aren't you not supposed to wear foundation because it gets in your pores? I will definitely work out with this on, and we can do a test and see. Anywho, it can be also used to camouflage minor imperfections on the neck, shoulders, legs, or anywhere else. Best of all, it's available in 40 shades with a neutral matte finish. I personally always like to look at the lowest and the highest reviews, then I can kind of get an idea of what people are saying about it. These reviews never end up interfering with my own thoughts, but sometimes the reviewers who have really tested this give good tips and tricks to really make this work. This 1-star reviewer says they were really looking forward to this foundation, but when they opened the package, it was leaking everywhere. They also say the best you can get is medium coverage, and if you have oily skin, stay the fuck away. Let me go ahead and open mine up and see what we're dealing with. Oh my god. Holy titty twister, it does want to leak. Like, look at that. That is a mess. Okay. Moving on, this 1-star review also said that even though they didn't care for it, it did feel very lightweight and blended out super easily. Other people are actually complaining about the ingredients, saying that there's really bad alcohols in there that are gonna dehydrate your skin like crazy. Apparently, it does not work well with mature skin. If you're over 30, skip it. Okay, and this review is honestly just ridiculous. They took it back because it had a 0 SPF. Personally, I look for foundations that don't have an SPF in it. To me, SPF in this would have been totally pointless because it's made for on stage where you're not supposed to have a flashback, and flashback is created by titanium dioxide, which titanium dioxide is what makes it SPF. However, the 5-star reviewers obviously love it. They say it actually offers full coverage, and after 9+ hours, they did not need to touch it up. In fact, it even looked better. Even without powdering and setting it, the shit stays put, and it gives a very real skin finish. It's their new holy grail foundation. It doesn't matter what kind of skin you have, it'll still stay put. And one of these reviewers actually addressed the fact that people say that it does set deep in creases, and they say if you moisturize first, it totally diminishes the crease effect. I'm actually very fucking excited to test this out, but I do have a minor complaint to bitch about. And that is the fact that right here in big ass bold letters, it says loved by all women. Now, I love women. I have nothing against them. This is not an attack towards anyone. But is Dior stuck in 1950? Like, do men not wear makeup? Why couldn't they have just said loved by all? Like, I'm not offended by it or anything, but at the same time, get with the damn times. Anyways, I'm gonna go take off my highlighter. I will be right back and we can test this out. Alright, my makeup is off. My skin has been primed. On this side of my face, I'm gonna go in with a damp sponge, and then on this side, I'm gonna use a brush. What the fuck did I do with the foundation bottle? The hell did you go? Literally left for 2 minutes. Whoop, found it, alright. And of course, now is the perfect time for a helicopter to fly by. How you doing, bitches? The back of the box says there's actually 3 ways to wear it. You can wear it light, medium, or full coverage. For light nude coverage, they say use your fingers to gently dab 1 layer of foundation and massage into the face. If it's a nude layer, why the fuck would you want to wear it? For medium coverage, they say apply 2 layers with a flat brush from the center of the face outwards. And for full coverage, they say use a round brush and apply up to 3 layers of foundation in circular motions. This bitch likes some full coverage, so we're gonna try that, but I really don't know how much much to apply here. I guess let's start with that. That's like 4 drops of this. Oh, damn it. Of course, this is a little bit too yellow for me. That seems to be a very common occurrence on this channel, but I'm kind of confused because I thought the picture showed more of like a rosy tone. Whatever though, here we have one very, very minimal layer, and I do see what they mean. It is like a nice sheer nude coverage, so I guess I understand why people would want this. It just makes you look a little bit healthier. But I don't want to look healthy, I want to look like fucking plastic, so let's go in with some more. And this time I probably added way too much, but we'll see how it works. Oh my god. That is very heavily fragranced. Kind of like flowers mixed with old lady mixed with just rich. I am not at all a fan of fragrances, especially on products that go directly on the face. Like, that is not good for your skin. However, this shit looks fucking amazing. Holy hell. And the color actually might be okay. It's definitely on the lighter medium side, but it still does have some good coverage, and it doesn't even look like there's foundation on my skin. Like, it looks like my normal skin. Let's get really close and personal, but here we have the foundation side, here we have the no foundation side. Like, look at the difference. Wow. Okay, let's leave the coverage right there for now. I'm gonna go in with quite a bit on the other side. And for that, we'll use this little foundation brush. Oh, that smell though. Ugh. It almost smells kind of like a setting spray to me. Oh shit, even with a brush, it looks good. Like, it does start off a little bit streaky, but then once you rub it around, it looks good. Not as good as the sponge side though. I really think this needs pressed into the skin to make it look like your skin. Otherwise, it kind of looks like it's sitting on top of the skin and you can tell it's there. Or maybe it looks the exact same. Fuck, I don't know. What do you think? Yes? No? Just to be safe though, I am gonna press this in because if we're gonna be working out, I don't want to have my face melting off. But there we have it. I am very impressed. What do you think? Should we go in with one more layer? Sure, it's only like $10 an application. Why not? And I do also want to note that you actually get quite a bit more than you do with a normal bottle of foundation. And this little guy, this is 1.6 fluid ounces. So even if you do have to go in with an extra layer, you still have quite a bit of product left. Wow, I feel like I could literally put 10 layers of this on and it would still look magical. Because this is with what, like 3 or 4 layers, and it still looks like my skin. Like, it's not cakey, it doesn't feel heavy, it feels extremely lightweight. And I think it looks pretty damn good too. What do you think? I'm actually really damn impressed, and I'm not that mad about the color. Like, it is a little bit dark on me, but it's not so dark that it doesn't work. I feel like I could go lighter, but this is a good summer shade for me. So let's go in with the rest of the makeup. For concealer, I'm using Shape Tape in the shade of Light, and I am gonna keep the rest of the makeup on the minimal side because if I'm gonna go work out, I don't want it falling in my eyes. Ooh, shit, these play together really nicely. They're gonna have some cute ass babies. And I really don't know if this foundation's supposed to be set with a powder or not, but I am definitely gonna set under the eyes with a powder. And I guess just for shits, let's set this side of my face with the translucent powder. It doesn't seem to be really affecting it that much, if at all. Actually, no, I take that back. It might be making it look a little bit cakey and dry. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, definitely do not powder this foundation. At least for my skin, it's making it look really dry and cakey and kind of cracky. Look who wants to come and say hello and steal the hearts of millions. Say hi, Ron. Oh, you're so handsome, aren't you? Shake them titties, Ron. Shake them titties. Let me just rub my makeup all over your face. Oh, give me kisses. Love me. Okay, go back to your bed. Okay, thanks. Damn, even after my multiple kisses of Ron, it did not budge at all. It still looks the same. I'm impressed. What about Mia? Hi. Oh, you're so cute and sexy, you beast. Oh, Mia, what's the matter? Say hello. Oh, Mimi. Hi. Anything on you? No? Your white fur is all clean. Okay, oh, get away. Ugh. All right, let's move on with this tutorial. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Hoola bronzer. Like I said earlier, I am gonna keep this look as minimal as possible, which means I'm probably gonna do a cut crease, 6 layers of lashes, a dark bold lip, a wing liner. No, but for real, I do wanna keep it simple. To start the eye, I'm priming with CoverGirl's Lid Lockup. Let's go ahead and bring this bad boy out here. This is the Shayla ColourPop Perception Palette, and on a fluffy brush, I'm gonna dip into Culture. And let's go ahead and place that all over the lid and kind of work it up the crease. And we'll just keep gently blending that up and out. And then let's lightly tap into Revenge and place that right here on the outer corner and kind of blend it around. Just like that. And let's finish that outer corner with a little bit of a played out. And that shade's just gonna be lightly tapped right here on the outer corner. There we go. And then for the lower lash, I'm just gonna go in and smoke out all those shades that I just put on the upper lash. Then for just a slight pop of color, I'm gonna dip into this Blink Electric Eyes palette into this lightest shade right here. And I'm gonna gently dab that right on the inner eye. Yes, baby. And for lips, I was tempted to keep it on the pinky side, but I think I want to go a little bit dramatic, so I went in with Mamacita from ColourPop. And here we are with the final look, just like I said it would be, a very minimalistic, light, soft glam. No, but this actually was a really fucking easy look to do, and I kind of love it. I also love the fuck out of this foundation, and I can definitely see where I powdered on this side and where I didn't powder on this side. Like, this side doesn't look bad, it just doesn't look as natural as this side. But the powdered side definitely does not look as textured as this side does, so I almost prefer this side. I don't know, what do y'all think? Not powdered side, powdered side? I mean, they both look great, but this side, it just looks smoother to me. But Dior says this foundation will last you through a runway or through a workout, and since my runway days are long behind me, let's do a workout. I will do a wear time test with this. I will see you in just a second. And we are back. Oh shit, I'm still out of breath. So I did just do my workout. I still have my workout shirt on. I wiped pretty much all the sweat that I had on my face off, and I don't think any of the foundation came off with it. Like, that shit is locked into place. Oh, fuck, my eyelashes are coming off. Oh, damn. Anyways, it is very safe to say this shit is sweat proof. Not gonna lie though, I've never put any other foundations to the test like I just did with this one, so I don't know how they'd hold up, if this is like a normal thing or not, but this shit looks bangin', holy hell. I do think it may have oxidized a tiny bit though, but I can't tell. Does it look a little bit darker to you? I legit can't tell, but I do see a little spot where it's missing. But now I actually don't even know if I just missed that when I was putting it on. I guess if we're being honest, this is probably one of the best fucking foundations that I've ever used in my entire life. This foundation is hands down, balls to the walls, absolutely gorgeous. Even after I worked out, it still looks great. Like, it's not moved or anything. Like, the rest of my makeup still looks really good. And I love that even though I put like 4 layers of this shit on, my skin can still breathe. Like, it doesn't feel like I have a mask on. It doesn't really feel like I have anything on. Like, it's not heavy. It does look a bit creasy under my eyes and on my forehead, but that's kind of normal because I have creases there. And I do actually think that the side I powdered is holding up a little bit better. I mean, they're both holding up great, but this side still just looks smoother. What do you think? Does it still look good? Does it look terrible? Am I all crazy? I personally love it, and I'm gonna use the shit out of this. This little bitch is gonna be empty in no time. And for the amount that you get, and for it being Dior, 40 bucks actually isn't that bad. Like, you'll pay that much, if not more, for any other foundation at Sephora, plus this probably has more in it. So, do I recommend this? I honestly do. I mean, I don't have oily skin, it's more on the dry side, but I mean, if it's sweat proof, it's probably oil proof. It looks really damn good. But I will say, if you do end up purchasing this, definitely go into the store to get shade matched and then apply a little bit of it to your hand to see if it does oxidize, because it totally could just be my bronzer, I don't know, but I feel like this got darker on my skin. But either way, I still love the shit out of it. And there you go. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepoplix.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at OfficialNady, and you can follow me online at thepoplix.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye.